Okay, I'm back in here. I know y'all know. Random baby. Got another one for the people. This is for anyone, everyone out there ever lost someone to a hard time. If they feel the sickness, old age, or the unfair judgment at the motherfucking stop sign. Glock 9s go pop, people in their spine, paralyzed on how they can't get up. What's up in the world so cruel? Everybody wants you down, but you can't give up. We got people getting fucked all around us every day, man, and they can't do nothing. About time that we stand up, man up for a fan, bro, man, it's time we do something. Anything that you can, it don't have to be big, man, just prove that you love them. I know it's small, but to my fam, I choose all of y'all over thugging, all of y'all over fucking, all of y'all over money over y'all. There's nothing jumping, nothing in this world, no, nothing compares to my people and all they love me. Cause my people really love me, though at times I can say that we get a little shady. Then again, what the fuck is love and family if they don't drive you crazy? Can you tell me this? What's the reason that people around the world just don't give a fuck? Come on with the bullshit, you gotta give it up and start grinding if you wanna live it up, man. Mind the shit will bust and find the shit will come. All you gotta do is keep faith and keep pushing up. Keep hope alive, cause without it we're fucked. I hope I got through to you, cause now I'm like my blunt. And that's how I do it. If you don't like it, I don't care. I mean, I wanna know, so I can work at it. Whatever. But it ain't gonna bug me none. Yeah.